Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about or discuss about reinforcement learning. In the first video itself, we saw that reinforcement learning is one of the categories of the machine learning. Where in the first video, we saw that machine learning is basically divided into three categories. The first one is supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, third is reinforcement learning. So here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the basic terms of reinforcement learning, or we can say the elements of the reinforcement learning and the different algorithms that are basically used in reinforcement learning. So, moving forward with the first statement that is similar to supervised learning. Reinforcement learning is actually a supervised learning which is operating on an optimized data set. That is, it is actually a supervised learning, but the data set is very much optimized. Talking about how it differs from supervised learning is reinforcement learning differs from the supervised learning in a way that in a supervised learning, the training data set has the answer key with it so that the model is trained with the correct answer itself. Whereas in reinforcement learning, there is no answer, but the reinforcement agent decides what to do to perform the given task. Talking about behavior based, that is how reinforcement learning is behavior based. As I have already discussed in the first video itself that how you perform, like how the system performs, according to that the reward, or we can say the credit, or we can say the how much it is near to its final result will be decided. Talking about critic information, uh, in the first video, I shared a image in the reinforcement learning slide. Actually, there the image was demonstrating that we were getting reward or feedback from the environment. So this critic information is that only. That is according to the feedback we are getting the different ideas, or we can say the different stages where we can move forward to get the final result according to our requirement. Talking about the elements of the reinforcement learning, there are total 5 elements of reinforcement learning. The first one is agent, second is environment, third is reward, fourth is state, fifth is action. Taking the example like automated car, the machine of the automated car is act as an agent. The road on which the automated car will move will be called as an environment, and according to the environment, whatever the reward, like how much car that is coming in like towards that very automated car, or like we can say different rocks on the road, those are called as reward for that automated machine. Talking about state, like automated car can have different stage, like from moving a stage to rest stage, like it is moving or it is resting. So these are the different stages that can be possible. Talking about the action, taking the example of like traffic signal, if the traffic signals uh, shows green, so from the rest stage it will start moving, so it will the action will be there, like from the rest position it will start moving, that is the change, there will be change in the state, so that is called the action. Now different algorithms that are used in reinforcement learning. With this I'm going to discuss about I'm not going to discuss in detail. I will just discuss their names and their description and action space, that is where they are supposed to work. Okay, so here I have three examples of algorithms of reinforcement learning. So the first one is SARSA lambda, that is state action reward state action. That is, we have state, then again action. According to action, we are getting reward, and according to reward, we are getting to another state. And similarly, we will like this cycle will continue. And the action space, that is where the action will be performed, is discrete. Talking about DQN, that is deep queue network. Here also the action space is discrete. Talking about DDPG, that is deep deterministic policy gradient. I will discuss and these terms according to the availability, or we can say according to the different subtopics. If the subtopics of these is available on the coding essay website, or inside the portal, then I will surely discuss it. And the action space for ddpg is continuous. So, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed it and stay blessed. In the next video, I am going to discuss about linear regression. So, stay connected. Thank you.